Bitcoin returns to $116,000 after gaining over 2% in minutes thanks to dovish comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Powell's Jackson Hole speech cemented the odds of an interest rate cut next month. Risk assets in crypto rose immediately, while the U.S. dollar strength fell. Considering the implications of Powell's choice of words, market participants were skewed in favor of the Fed cutting interest rates at its upcoming meeting in September. With the hope of an interest rate cut in September, ETH surged 14%, creating a God candle, massively outperforming Bitcoin. ETH price rallied from $4,200 within minutes, creating a new all-time high, crossing above $4,867 for the first time since November 2021. Ethereum has gained over 250% when compared to its April low at $1,385. On Friday, after Jerome Powell's speech, the interest rate cut odds for the September 17th FOMC meeting had jumped to 91.5% from 75% on Comedals. And right now it has fallen back to 75% again, still giving massive odds for a rate cut. Ethereum markets are further benefiting from renewed inflows into its U.S.-based ETFs. On August 21st, these funds attracted $287.60 million worth of capital after witnessing 4 days of outflows. As of Friday, Ether ETFs were collectively managing over $12.12 billion worth of assets. Ethereum has also gained significant momentum through growing ETH treasury adoption by corporations. Over the past month, corporate Ethereum treasury firms have acquired roughly $1.6 billion worth of ETH. As of Friday, these holdings have ballooned to over $29.75 billion. The rally in ETH has also coincided with a notable drop in Bitcoin's market dominance. As of Wednesday, Bitcoin's total market cap has dropped below 60% for the first time in 4 months, giving hope of the altcoin bull run. Hold on tight. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really means a lot. See you in the next one.